Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're diving into the top 3 high-paying tech gadgets that not only look cool, but can actually help you make some serious cash. Let's jump right in. First up is the 3D printer. These bad boys can make anything from custom toys to spare parts. People are making money selling custom designs, and it's only getting bigger. Imagine turning your ideas into products people actually buy. Next is the drone. Not only can you get stunning footage, but you can also make money by offering aerial photography services or even inspecting roofs for businesses. Drones are like flying cameras, and they're making careers soar. Gadget number 3, VR headset. Finally, we've got virtual reality headsets. Sure, they're fun for gaming, but did you know people make money by creating VR content, games, and even virtual tours? VR is the future, and you can cash in on it today. So there you have it. 3 tech gadgets that can help you earn some serious dough. Which one would you want to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech tips. End.